Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX is currently following the plan still. We could get a little bit more downside, but minimum requirements for wave 5 of 3 are now fulfilled in this decline from this B wave top, which formed on the 21st of May, where the price topped around 42 USD. From here, a C wave to the downside is currently unfolding or started to unfold. And I highlighted to you in the last few days that we should see probably a little bit more downside, at least $24, because this is the 50% retracement and the next support level on the chart. And it would at least, give us a decent length for this C wave, even though the most likely scenario is that the C wave reaches the 100% extension. That's at $18.84. Hasn't been reached yet. And it still looks a bit incomplete. I would prefer another 4-5 pattern here on this chart. I can tell you that downside is definitely still to be expected. However, I mentioned all the time that the $24 level could provide some support, and it might do that. I mean, we've literally only just now reached it. We need to see how now the price action unfolds on Monday. But this is a key support. Well, any break below $24, if it's sustained, should really send us down to the next Fibonacci level, which is at $18.80. Yeah, $18.80, and this is obviously quite a bit of a move. I mean, we talk about, what are we talking about here? From where we are now, we talk about another 25% decline. Okay, nothing too unusual for cryptos. That's what we have to deal with in this market. But it would be quite another substantial decline, another move down. And it is important, I think, in this context to recognize where the resistance area is located. And the resistance area is located between $26.90 and $30. This is here, the area between the 23.6 and the 50% fib level. Don't think we need to adjust it. Just a little bit, but that's a few cents. Okay, so if we see the price go down further directly, the resistance area will move down with the price. At the moment, basically, if we get a sustained break above $30, I will start to assume a low is in. That would also come with a break above the descending price channel, basically a break above the upper boundary line of that descending price channel. So that is something definitely to observe. So basically that means, in summary, I'm watching for further downside against the $30 level, but we should be close to a low, given that this is now the end of the third wave. If this is a WXY structure instead of an ABC, and I cannot recognize that as such, it's just a possibility. It's not the most likely scenario, but if it is a WXY, the low can already be in. But that would require proving with a break above $30, and then in the next instance, so we shouldn't be too bullish here until we see a turnaround, but a third wave should take us to $100 plus next. That all will depend a little bit on where we actually form a low eventually in this wave 2. Important is to understand that the overall bullish structure I'm watching here will become unlikely with a break below $13.40, the 78.6 retracement level of this rally, which unfolded between October 23 and March this year. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.